Hello guys, review Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box, look complementation. In complementation device in the pink color. And this whole complementation. Key for SIM slot. Adapter for charging we don't have in complementation. We have only cable and protected back cover. On the back side triple camera. On this side power button and low buttons. Downside Type-C port slot. We have slot for 2 nano SIM cards. Okay. Turn on device. Open settings. About phone we have Hyper OS version 1.0.6.0, Android 14. Okay. Open Geekbench 6. We have Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3. GPU Adreno 810. And look results. Very good results we have. GPU test results. Open Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results. Okay, close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Let's see. Okay guys, game load. Graphics we have high graphic level and frame rate very high. Game works very good, without lags, glitches, perfect. Okay, close this. Open camera. I show you photos on the main camera. Video we can record in 4K, 30 frame rate. Okay, I show you photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.